Loadout. Loadout originally referred to the set of equipment a soldier carried into battle, including weapons, ammunition, tools, and clothing. Nowadays, it can also refer to the set of equipment and materials needed for any type of job, like repairing a computer, for example. Video gamers have not changed the original meaning. Loadout is normally used for war games, and it refers to the set of weapons, ammunition, and other items a player has for a fight.
This is such an interesting loadout.
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty weird, but it's kind of fun. I don't think it's the best, but I've been having a lot of fun with it.
Be sure to subscribe, and please let us know if you have any suggestions for more vocabulary.